Hello, Francis McShane here, and I'm going to show you a little improvement to Window Plus, which I've made to the double and slide and sash window. So we'll just pop in a little double window here, and you'll recognize this dialog box gives you a choice of horizontal or vertical. Just accept the vertical for now, but you won't recognize this one. And what it does, basically, the little improvement is it lets you have an eccentric split in the two sashes. So you've given us a default 0.5, but just to show you the eccentric split, we'll put in a 0.6, and that should make the first or the left-hand sash, or the other way around, it'll make it the bottom sash a little bit bigger. So we'll just see what happens here. These are opening sashes, so it also offers you to open them. We'll not open. We'll just keep them closed, and we'll pop that in. And as you can see, the split is at 60%. Now, it'll do that also for sliding sashes, and I'll show you that. Move to sliding sashes, and where it's the bar cuts the other way. And we'll make the bottom actually smaller this time. We'll make it 0.4. And as you can see, the bottom is the smaller sash. And again, just so you can see how this works, because you now have two kind of eccentric or differently sized sashes, you'll probably want different amounts of glazing bars in both. So I've adjusted the glazing bar routine as well to account for this. So we'll pop in some glazing bars here. And sash 1 is the lower sash, so we'll just put in a single vertical there. And sash 2 is the upper one, so we'll put in a vertical and a horizontal. We'll see what that looks like. Okay, so as you can see, it's put different glazing bars in both, and in addition to this, you can open them differently as well. So we'll close the casements. And this is the lower casement, so we'll open it 0.2, so only a little bit. And we'll open the top casement 0.8, which is nearly all the way. And as you can see, the lower casement just opened a little bit, and the top casement opened a lot. So anyway, I hope that explains this improvement to the extension, and that you'll continue to enjoy using Window Plus. Thanks very much.